Are you looking for the Bissell 20391 hard floor mop cleaner? We have reviewed it in the video. So let's start. Features: safely clean all sealed hard floors. On-demand spray. Quiet cleaning. Washable mop pads. Multi-surface formula. Wood floor formula. The Spinwave Plus eliminates the need to use elbow grease for you with its rotating scrubbers on a wide, slim profile floor head, which swivels around furniture. The handle has grips, so your hand won't slip. This handle also has digital buttons that emit a spray of soapy water on the floor on demand. Often, the tank on an electric mop is difficult to remove, but the Bissell Spinwave Plus is an exception. It's a breeze to detach, and the tank has a large capacity. You'll also be pleased with the screw-on cap, which prevents water from leaking. On the bottom of the Spinwave Plus's mop head, there are two circular scrubbers. These scrubbers rotate toward each other, deeply cleaning hardwood, tile, vinyl, and other sealed floors. The mop cleans a lot of flooring per pass while it scrubs, covering a 14-inch wide path. The mop head emits a spray of soapy water from the outlet on the front of the head to provide even coverage of the cleaning solution. Due to its short height of the mop head, you can easily run the mop alongside the kick plates of your cabinets. In addition to its low profile, the mop head is agile. It pivots, allowing you to swivel the Spinwave Plus around corners, table legs, and other obstacles. The silver and blue mop is also featherlight with a weight of just 11 pounds. The length of the power cord is 22 feet, which gives you plenty of working space from your electrical outlet of choice. On the back of the mop, there is a dual hook cord wrap. If you're in a hurry, the hooks turn, so you can quickly release the power cord. Pros: very easy to lug around the floor. The tank pops in and out in a jiffy. Exceptionally good at polishing laminate floors. Wide cleaning path reduces the mopping time. Easy to assemble and fuss-free operation. Cleaning surface is approximately 14 inches. Cons: not designed for old and tough stains. No automatic cord wrap function. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in future. Be sure check out the description and links for final most of day pricing and other product mention in this video.